What is up, Ketchup? It's Dimitri here at sa video na ito ay i-review ko lang naman ang Jurassic World Rebirth. Ang movie na ito ay ikapito sa Jurassic Park / Jurassic World series. And to be honest mga dude, after my disappointment with Dominion, I came to see this movie with a very low expectation. Disappointment din kaya ang movie na ito? There's only one way to find out. First, let's talk about what's good about this movie. Malamang sa alamang ay papanoorin mo ang movie na ito dahil sa mga dinosaurs. And although medyo far in between ang mga dinosaur scenes at may mga dinosaurs na questionable ang design tulad ng Spinosaurus, ay bawing-bawi naman sa mga intense scenes ng mga dinosaurs sa movie na ito. It's really good to see na may mas mahabang screen time ang Quetzalcoatlus this time around. And mga dude, napaka-stunning ng Titanosaurus. And another good thing about this movie is wala dito si Pedro Pascal. That alone mga dude is enough reason para manood kayo ng movie na ito. Now let's talk about the mixed. Ang story ng movie na ito ay very linear. Mga 15 to 20 minutes in ay magkaka-idea ka na kung sino yung mga kontrabida, kung ano yung magiging role ng mga characters. Alam mo na kung saan patungo ang storya at maraming failed attempts sa humor. But you're not here for the story and the humor anyway. Saka at least mga dude, hindi pinipilit ng movie na maging malalim ang storya, and it's something that even kids would understand. Now let's talk about the bad things about this movie. I really hate those kapapangit na mutants. Para sa akin mga dude, it's a waste opportunity ang mga mutants dahil instead of mutants, they could have just go for like other prehistoric animals like Megalodon, Megalania, Deinosuchus, Titanoboa. Mas makakadagdag pa sana sa interest ng mga moviegoers about prehistoric animals aside from dinosaurs. So all in all, this movie is definitely not as good as the first Jurassic Park, but it's definitely not as bad as Jurassic World Dominion. I would give this movie a 5.8 out of 10. So if you're a big fan of Jurassic Park / Jurassic World series, there's no reason for you na hindi panoorin ang movie na ito. And that is it, pansit mga dude. I really hope na mag-generate ng enough hype ang movie na ito para magkaroon pa ng maraming mga dinosaur figures para dagdag gastos na naman sa ating mga collectors. At yun lang naman mga guys, makakaalis ka na. Bye!